So as you guys, in a few weeks ago, I posted another video of a field trip to the Science Center. It was really good. If you want to watch it, click on the eye in the corner right here. And today I have another field trip, and we're going to Hemlock Regional Park. We're going to be like zip-lining and doing many activities. I only know about the zip-lining part. I don't know about the rest. I'm excited because I've never been zip-lining, and hopefully I don't scream as loud as the glass could shatter. I'm just kidding, I won't. So hopefully I can be brave, and my friend over here, she's sitting with me, and she's going to be in my group, and my mom over there is sitting. She's over there sitting, and she's a chaperone in my group, so I can't wait. So I'll meet you guys in a bit.
You following directions.
Okay.
I read the top three.
Isaiah,
Yeah.
Jeremiah, David.
So we got our groups, and now we're gonna go just swing.
Oh, let's go.
I don't know where we're going. Up is.
Watershed, we're gonna learn about watershed. We're gonna be teaming up with their group. Hey, wanna talk to someone? Who's gonna be? Ready? Awesome. We have 13. I need one volunteer. Me. All right, you want to be a volunteer? Go ahead. Matt.
So now we're going up. We're gonna go to the watershed first, and then we're gonna learn about watersheds, and we'll see what activities we do.
I know.
Roll that out.
What is that thing? Twin Lakes!
Okay. All right. Chesapeake Bay Watershed. Yeah, you see all those nice little bumper stickers on people's cars saying Save the Bay. Chesapeake Watershed. So more specifically, right now, you guys are in the Bull Run watershed. You guys know what a watershed is?
No.
What is it?
It's like
Raise your hands. Raise your hands.
Where it goes
nobody
into
knows.
one
I
source.
forgot the definition. I know
Exactly. So the Bull Run watershed, all that means is think of it's raining right now.
Yeah.
Everywhere where that rain will eventually drain into Bull Run is the Bull Run watershed. Does that make sense? So a big part of the middle, like the Midwest, I guess, is the Mississippi watershed, right? Because all the water that rains down in Kansas eventually flows out through Louisiana in the Mississippi River, right? And Washington, where I'm from, it's the Columbia watershed. Because all at least the east side. Because where all the rain falls, it flows into the Columbia and goes out, right? So like I said, I can't really be with all of you. See how there's different colors to this? How we got Cub Run, Big Rocky Run, Little. Oh my word, come down here for me. Go. I will wait. So when we go down, we'll be looking for these things, and if we find a whole lot, because these things, a stonefly nymph can handle almost no pollution. So if it has if Bull Run has a little bit of pollution in it, can it survive? Probably not. Whereas a left-handed snail can deal with a little bit more pollution. So if Bull Run's polluted, a little polluted, could it survive? Maybe it could. Yeah, because it's a little bit more. Yeah.
So you know how you said we're gonna have to put them in the don't we have to put a little water in them so they get stuck?
We will.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. Does that make sense? So what we're gonna do when we get down there, we're gonna take a couple straight up and down. Second volunteer. Saw your hand come up.
I don't want to hold it.
Who's got the bags of power?
Me. Oh, I had a bag
Where
of
is
power.
it?
Right here. What in?
No, it was that one. It was
Open
that
up
one.
that bag of power. Take a seat. All right, so now, who's got those sheets that I just handed out? Bring them in.
Wow. Here. You guys sit down.
So, who's got? Someone bring me the bag of power. How you doing?
I got some.
Find anything?
I got some. I got some. I got some. I got some. Oh, it's cute. I got something. I got something over here. It's a piece of glass. These ones are closed. These ones are closed. Which one do you want? This one. What? Which one do you want? Give me that one back. Give me that one back. Okay, good.
Yay.
Okay.
Oh, Rock took 2 skips. Credits for today. Tighten up his pants.
Extenders, exactly. You want to make sure you don't want to have, like, if you're 2/5 fit in, then it's too.
So I'm going on a zip line and I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna go up there and then it's a harness. Head to here and be like, woo! And there's safety stuff on here and I have my helmet and gloves.
She's
Oh no, the bike part!
Jamie! Oh my gosh.
Actually, don't look down. Look straight. You're doing great.
Smells like the wood too much. Don't do it. It smells too much like food.
Wait, you can't turn. No part of you wants to do this.
No part. How did you get up here so fast? Was it fun?
Wait, do you have to walk all the way back?
One of you has.
So we're gonna eat lunch in the bus. We're gonna eat lunch in the bus.
That way you don't have to going on the very high slides that drop into the 12th.
The only because there's something. was good. Better. Uphill when we're going the bus.
Oh my gosh, finally!
Kim Possible. Yay, we're done. We're finally here. So we're finally back from our field trip. It was very fun, and I was really scared when I first went down the zip line. It was kind of scary at first, but then like almost halfway got better. So when I went down, I started kicking my legs, ah! And then as I almost halfway down, I just stopped. I'm like, oh, okay, it's better. I wanted to go again, but the first part of it where you have to like balance on that thin line, it's kind of hard. And people kept telling me to look down, but I kept saying, no, I don't want to die. Yeah. But the trick is that you have to put your feet sideways so then it's like balanceable. And don't look down, because then you feel more scary. And everyone in my group is going to go to her classroom, watch a movie. I got released early, so yay! Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Click the post notification bell to get notified whenever you post new videos. And like this video, give it a thumbs up, even if you really want to go ziplining. I haven't. This is my first time, and it was really good. I had experience with it, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Peace out.